Umadevi Children Academy present Learn from Home, Class 3rd GK. I'm Anubhav and today we're gonna learn about some important cards. Welcome students, how are you all? I hope you are doing great at home. Have been seen many kinds of cards like Aadhaar card, PAN card, ATM card and so on cards. But do you know why they are important, why we keep with ourselves, and what is its their function. Let's know more about some important cards. Can you guess which card is this? You got 10 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is an individual identification number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India on behalf of the Government of India to individual for the purpose of establishing the unique identity of every single person. The Aadhaar number will serve as proof of identity and address anywhere in India. The objective of the project is to collect biometric, photograph, iris scan, and fingerprint. Iris scan means eye scan, and demographic data of residents or resident address information. Store them in a centralized database and issued a 12-digit unique identity number called Aadhaar to each resident. Aadhaar is meant for individuals of any age, including children, for the purpose of establishing identities. I'm sure you too have an Aadhaar card with yourself. Aadhaar is for individuals, therefore, each member of the family needs to have a separate one. Aadhaar is voluntary and based an individual who is interested in having Aadhaar for himself and herself can enroll or apply to get Aadhaar number. An individual will be provided with only one unique Aadhaar number, not multiple unique ID numbers. You will get only one type of numbers in it. Aadhaar number will be valid for the full life of an individual and does not need to be changed or renewed from time to time. That's all for the Aadhaar card. Can you guess which card is this? You got 10 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's PAN card. PAN card is permanent account number which consists of 10-digit alphanumeric character, means numbers and alphabet, and is assigned to all taxpayers in India. It is issued under the Indian Income Tax Act 1961 by the Indian Income Tax Department under the supervision of Central Board for Direct Taxes. ये कार्ड 1961 में इशूड हुआ था अंडर द एक्ट इंडियन इनकम टैक्स कि जो भी टैक्स पे करता है उसको ये रखना पड़ेगा. PAN card is important for doing transaction of sales or purchase of assets of any immovable property valued at 5 lakh rupees or more during sale and purchase of motor vehicle having more than 2 wheels. Okay. PAN card is required to open a bank account in both private and nationalism bank. PAN card is required for phone connection too. PAN card is for new gas connection. PAN card is required to make any one-time payment against their bill of the amount exceeding 25,000 rupees in any hotel or restaurant. To make payment in cash at any one time or more than 25,000 rupees while traveling to any foreign country, PAN card is required. PAN card may help in detection of fraud transaction. It also reduces tax evasion and provide transparency in transaction between buyer and seller. That's all for the PAN card. Let's move towards our next topic, which is, can you guess which card is this? You got 10 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's ration card. Under the initiative, eligible beneficiaries will be able to avail their entitled food gains under the National Food Security Act from any fair price shop in the country using some ration card, which means the person which have the ration card can get the any food grains as actual price. The government wanted to implement one nation, one national card scheme across the country effective 1st June 2020. A standard format for ration card has been prepared for after taking into account the format used by different states and after consultation with other stakeholders. For national portability, the state government have been asked to issue the ration card in bilingual format, whereas beside the local language, the other language could be Hindi or English. Bilingual format means two languages. For example, we are living in UP. Our state language is Hindi, and with Hindi, they will provide Hindi plus English. For example, other person live in Punjab, his local language will be Punjabi. So Punjabi and other language will be Hindi and English. So it's bilingual language. As of now, 70 states are on integrated management of the public distribution system. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Jharkhand, Tripura, Bihar, UP, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Daman Diu have been integrated with the One Nation, One Ration Card system. Eligible beneficiary will be able to pay or buy subsidy food grains rice at rupees 3 rupees per kg, wheat at 2 rupees per kg, and coarse grain at rupees 1 per kg from anywhere in the country. In the present system, a ration card holder can buy food grains only from an FPS that has been assigned to her in the locality in which she lives. According to data available on IMPTS portal, the number of transactions through interstate ration card portability is only 274 as on May 15. The Integrated Management of Public Distribution System portal provides the technology platform for the interstate portability of ration card. Okay, that's all for the class. The homework is you have to revise and learn the name of the card and what its uses. So that's all. Farewell. Bye.